Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the quality of the videos displayed on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the menu icon down below on the right side corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top on the right side next to the search icon. Scroll down to the preferences section and click on media. Here you have the video quality section, which is the second one. Here you can manage the default video quality and the amount of mobile data you use with the following options. It is either optimized or data saver. So the optimize means that you can adjust the resolution to network conditions, and the data saver will lower the resolution for all of the videos. Tap on the relevant circle that you would like to select and it will be updated automatically. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.